Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out 7 trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we see someone who does have a bit of a Bixie haircut. Beautiful color. I would say that this is more of like an asymmetrical Bixie cut, and then we move on to this beautiful undercut style pixie. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Absolutely gorgeous texture that the stylist created within this pixie undercut. Beautiful side swept bangs. And then we have this gorgeous layered shaggy style. Followed by another Bixie style pixie cut. And then we have another gorgeous pixie. Longer bangs for this one, beautiful. Then we have this gorgeous red mini bob hairstyle. And then another stunning undercut pixie cut. Absolutely beautiful. So I hope that you guys enjoyed checking out these 7 trending hairstyle ideas that you can wear in 2023. If you want to see even more inspiring hair options, be sure to check out this video next.